Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve travel insurance with Allianz easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Allianz travel insurance website. Once on the home page, navigate to the travel insurance section. Select the type of travel insurance that fits your needs. You will find options for different types of coverage, such as trip cancellations, medical emergencies, and lost luggage. Click on the option that interests you to learn more about its specific benefits and coverage limits. Review the details carefully to ensure the policy meets all your requirements. Next, customize your policy by selecting the duration of your trip and the number of travelers. Enter the specific travel dates to help generate the most accurate quote. After you've filled in your travel details, move on to the quote calculator. The system will present various policy options along with their prices. Compare the different packages by reading through their coverage details. Once you've chosen a suitable policy, click on the Purchase button. You will be prompted to fill in personal information, including your name and contact details. Provide all necessary information, including payment details, to complete your purchase. After completing the transaction, you will receive a confirmation email. Keep this email handy, as it contains your policy details and contact information for future assistance. Finally, familiarize yourself with the claims process by reviewing the information available on the website. This will ensure you are prepared should you need to file a claim during or after your travels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.